Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. We made it. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And now it's the weekend. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer. And we have here something good. It's been raining all week out here in Michigan. It's not a fun week out here. What we have here is gonna be Casaon. What is this? It's like a box of chocolates. Oh boy. Let's see what this is. Nice packaging though. Really nice. Alright. There we go. And then let's see what this is though. I'm not sure what this could be. Alright, here we go. We got this open up. And let's see, Casaon. I don't remember what this could be. What is this? What is this? Got some goodies in here. So one of these sketchbooks. Got some pans. What is this? Oh, these are tiny. Different markers. Color code. 8 new. Hunching. Oh, so you take these and you pop them in this pen. Alright. Now let's see what this thing is. Scrapbook or something. Oh, that's nice. Casaon. Definitely YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. I'm hoping I pronounced the name right. If it's not, it's going to be corrected in the description. If I can open this part. So thank you guys. Casaon. Start writing some notes down. Oh yes. Alright. Now we gotta take the tie. Bada boom. This is fancy. Whoa, everything calms down. Look at this. You kind of use it like a drawing tablet for your doodles. It's all black. Oh yeah. So, alright, we got that part open. And now I'm going to open these pans. Show you what they are. I just use one sheet right now to test run this product. And like I said, you guys can get one at a low cost. Nice little Christmas gift for your kid. Something, a little stocking stuffer or so. For your future artists out there. How do I, I don't know why I got that song in my head now. How do I open these? Aha! You twisty at the top. There we go, see? Lid. Put that right there. And then we'll go with something bright. Oh, pink looks alright. Right on. We'll test a few of these out. And then all you gotta do is just plop it in like so. Bada boom. Like that. And then you put the cover back on. Twist. Alright. Mr. Happy Face. Got the winky. Got the chubby cheeks. Got the smiles for days. And then a happy face. Green. Monster. Oh yes. We got something going here. Let's see what I can doodle. Let's see. Whoa. Gotta shake it up a little bit. There we go. All right. And a little smiley. See, so far, oop, you guys both fell off the table. So that's like the pink version right there. Has a nice little pop to it. So you can make some new drawings out of these. And then, like I said, you can always switch them out. All I gotta do is untwist top. Put that right on the side. Make sure you don't lose the cap. Pull these out. Now what do I do with the other cap? Uh-oh. See what happens? It's like a mini journal you could write. What do I do with my cap cover? Well, you can always switch it. Say if you want to use the green one and you can't find the cap, all I gotta do is just pop that off and put it back on the other one that you're not using anymore. So like that. And then, like I said, easy install. You gotta put right in the hole, put it down the tube, make sure it pops in, and then all you gotta do is twist, twist, twist. There we go, nice and easy. Gotta get these warmed up a little bit. There we go. There we go, YouTube. Definitely check them out. These are really cool. Nice green. Just gotta get it warmed up, like I said. They made it. So that's cool. At least we know these work. And like I said, all you gotta do, cap it when you're done. And boom, nice pen right there. Got some extra refills. All this good stuff in the back we don't need anymore. I'm gonna clean this up a minute. And you guys could get one. Just check them out. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have. Like I said, these guys come with stickers. Oh, and a little sticker dude right here. And they got these borders so you can make like a mini frame. Put it in your scrapbook so you could do some pictures, outline. Yeah, you could do some class pictures like mini 4x6 maybe, couple 3x5s or whatever the smallest photo size is. You can make a scrapbook out of it. Mainly like a journal, a draw pad, a lot of good things, but this is a really nice book. So I'm done with that page. I could just rip it out. There you go. See, YouTubers, and then yeah, backside too. So you could do definitely photos, scrapbook. That's about it for today, YouTubers. You guys have a great day. Be safe out there. And see you guys soon. See ya.